Hi guys, so finally the portal is live down. So this is the official website where you can start your application for the DV Lottery 2026. This is the entrance for the 2026. So you just have to register yourself for the 2026 diversity visa program 2026. So as you can see here, is now live. The entry submission period for DV 2026 is from 12 p.m. okay to and then October 2nd 2024 to 12 p.m. 5th November 2024. Okay, so the entry form will only be available for submission during this period, and today is 2nd of October 2024. So this is it. So we have the instruction here. Okay, entry instruction. So if you want to read more, you can tap on here and you'll be able to read for more information about the entry. Okay, so you just have to take your time and read all this information to understand. I have done a video on that one too, so you can check it in this video description. And we have here, that is the photo instruction. So this is one of the difficult, this is where people face problem when uploading the photograph. Okay, so you have to read this to understand what they expect your photograph to be. So as you can see, this is how they want it. As you can see, we have here to be accepted visa photo. Okay, so you can read it to find out more. All right, so we have the entry form. So this is the entry form. So if you get to this website, just make sure you scroll down, and this is where you are going to get the form. You just have to tap on begin entry, and it is going to take you to the form. So as you can see here, we have the electronic diversity visa entry form. So this is the entry form, and this is going to take you 30 minutes for you to complete this form. So you just have to enter this code here. All right, so we have this code you have to enter. We have C and A, and then the last one is K. So when you are done, you hit on submit and you wait for a few minutes, and it is going to open for you to continue your application. So after entering the code, this is where it has taken me to. So we have the electronic diversity visa entry form. So this is the entry form, and then we have the OMB control number there, and then the DS5501, the number also there, then expiring date is also here. Okay, and we have it will take you 30 minutes to complete. So you have to complete this form, your name, first name, last name, your middle name. So as you can see, this is how the form look like. These are the information that you are supposed to provide. Okay, so the link is in this video description. You can just check the link and then you start your application. See you the next video. Leave your comments in the comment box. Bye bye.